How to log in or sign in Amazon Prime in laptop. So let's get started. Use any modern preferred web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge or Safari. Then simply tap on the search address bar and visit the Amazon Prime Video login page www.primevideo.com. Then here you will get to see sign in button available at the middle of the page. Now all you have to do is tap on the Prime Video member sign in option available there. Then you'll be navigated to sign in page. Now here enter the email or phone number linked to your Amazon Prime account and enter your Amazon account password. You may need to enter a one-time password or confirm your identity via a trusted device if Amazon detects unusual activity. After signing in, browse and stream movies, TV shows, or exclusive Amazon originals. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.